Hello crew, and welcome to your garage, the Cruise Garage. Today we have a different episode, a different car, an SUV, but not the full-size SUV, but a premium SUV. A premium SUV that has a good history, that came from an old company that performed really well in Africa. Today we have the Land Rover Range Rover Sport V8 supercharged. This vehicle has everything that you want, everything. All kind of options, all kind of good quality stuff, good leather, good color of leather. It's not just like any red, it's just like a nice red. Anything you can think about, it's here. Full panoramic roof, sensors, full cameras, 360 view cameras, a big screen of speedometer in front of you, another big screen in the center console, another two screens in the back in this vehicle, blind spot sensors or detectors, auto folding mirrors. You can adjust the mirrors by a button, 4 automatic windows that you can roll down or up with a one touch or one press. The lights inside this vehicle, you can turn it on and off just by touching it. You don't have buttons. A good quality of wood, again good quality of leather. A decent size SUV. Weight distribution in this car, I think it's one of the best SUVs. It has a big engine, we'll get to that soon. And this in the middle over here between the driver and the front passenger, you have a small fridge, USB cable, auxiliary cable, and a 12V plug to charge your phone or whatever. Like even the small buttons over here, the air condition buttons, it has like a small screen to show the fan or the power, like which level of fan you're using at the air condition, what is the temperature of the air condition. Like every tiny piece in this car, I think they made a really good job. I'm not saying it's the best car in the world, but it's a very decent car. It has Meridian sound system. The exhaust sound of this car, I think it's pretty neat. A V8 supercharged. You hear the noise of the supercharged and you hear a nice bubbling, whatever it's called, from the exhaust. Front seats, you can memorize or record your seating position. You have three memories, like 3 seating positions that you can record. It has a full off-road system. You can leave it on auto, so the car would detect or try to give you the best performing while you're off-roading. Or you can choose by yourself, like a snow or gravel or rocky mountains or whatever. So you can do it by yourself or the car will do it for you. It has a hydraulic suspension that raises up the vehicle or lower the vehicle. Also there is a neat button on the left over here. If you press that button, the car would lower itself and open the trunk to make it easier for you to load or unload some of your groceries or your like whatever you have in the back. This piece, it has the back screens. It has like most of the options. We'll talk about the price later. Tire size of this vehicle, 275 the width. The height is 45. The rim or the rim size is 21 inch. Huge tires give you more stability or better handling. An all-wheel drive car, V8, supercharged, 5 liters, producing 510 horsepower, 461 foot-pounds of torque. The weight of this vehicle, almost 2,463 kg, which makes up a power to weight ratio of 0.2071 approximately. Acceleration of this vehicle, I think it's amazing. It's a heavy car, super fast. It goes from 0 to 100 in around 4.5 seconds, and it has a huge, big, massive brakes, Brembo brakes that get this car from 100 to standing still in 121 feet. I think it's a good number for a, almost 2.5 tons vehicle. We're gonna try the acceleration of the vehicle, and if it can get it in 4.5 seconds as it's claimed, to 100 of course from standing still. I wanted to point out something. Seat belt sensors. I don't know if you can see it, but every seat in this vehicle has a seat belt sensor, in case if someone didn't tie, like if you have kids, if you want to know which one, you don't have to look back, you can tell from the screen in front of you. So we're gonna try the acceleration from 0 to 100. I also liked the point when you put it on manual, you would see the gear that you are in a big font. So this vehicle, like this unit, it was sold in Saudi Arabia for the owner for 550,000 Saudi riyals, because of the options that it has, the screens, the lowering steps that when you open the door it would come down to make it easier to get up, like in and outside the car. I don't know what other options he has, but I think he has, I don't know like how much did he pay for the options, but I know the total price, which he told me. It's kind of expensive, to be honest, but I think you get a quality or a premium quality for what you're paying. Thank you for watching this episode. I hope that you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next episode. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon.